Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the individual volume for this Yamaha DTX402. Or I think if your drum module also looks like this from Yamaha, the operation will be the same. So how do you do it? Long press the diamond button until all other buttons blink, then you release the diamond. And then press the second button, so this is the button number 2, press it twice. And then you'll arrive at this menu where you can set the individual volume of each instrument. So I'm testing one by one. Let's say I hit this component and it will say the volume out loud. So how do you change the volume is by first hitting the component and then using the tempo button, not the volume button. You can press the up and down in the tempo button to increase or decrease the volume respectively. And after you did the change, the drum will again say the volume. Alternatively, you can also, so you see here, there's numbers in the button. You long press one button and you press another one. Let's say you want to select the volume to be 72. So you long press 7 and then press 2 and then the drum will give you a feedback. Let's try another component. Let's just make it very soft at 12. Long press 1 and press 2. Yep, so it's actually working. So to quit from this volume setting menu, you just press again the diamond button and you are good to go. You can go back to playing. Thank you guys, subscribe.